Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Revolut Kids how to send money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to send money to Revolut's Kids and Teens account, the first thing that you can do is simply open up your Revolut application. Once you're inside your Revolut application and log into your account, tap on the home icon if you haven't. Then select the accounts from the top of your screen and there select your child's Kids and Teens account. Once you select it, you'll find an option that says add money. Simply tap on that and then enter the amount and confirm. This moves money from your personal Revolut balance into your child's Kids and Teens account, and note that the Kids account uses the parents' base currency and doesn't have a separate bank details, so kids can only receive money from parents this way. You can also set up an automatic weekly allowance by simply following the same steps and choose allowance. Then next method that you can use is kids sending money to other Revolut users. To do it, simply head over and open up your Revolut Kids and Teens app, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged in with your kids' credentials. Then here what you need to do is simply tap on the add money icon or the payments icon on the bottom, and then tap on new to choose contact or add a phone number. Then once that's done, simply enter amount, note or give if you want, and then simply tap on send, and this sends money to other Revolut or Kids and Teens users with the same base currency. Note that the kid can only send to other supported Revolut users, not external bank accounts. Some countries require the parents' consent to add the child's phone number before they can use payments, and the first payment to a new recipient may need parents' approval, and the future payments to the recipients can go through more easily. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.